Hello! Today I'm going to show you how to create a simple water drop icon. Let's open a new document, get rid of the fill and change the stroke to blue. Now press the letter L for the ellipse tool or select it from the toolbar panel and draw a circle. Let's make an extra copy. Press the Ctrl and C keys on your keyboard to copy it and Ctrl F to paste it in front. And you can see we've got two identical circles. With the top circle still selected, click on one of the bounding box corners and drag it out to scale it up. Now select everything, open the stroke panel, increase the stroke's weight and align it to the center. Next, press the letter A to switch to the direct selection tool or select it from the toolbar panel and draw a box around the top anchor point to select it. Now select the Convert Selected Anchor Points to Corner icon from the top toolbar. And you can either click on it, hold and drag, or press the up or down arrow keys on your keyboard to move it up or down. Next, we'll create a highlight. First, select the inside circle and then either press the letter C on your keyboard for the scissors tool or select it from the toolbar panel. Now click on this anchor point to create a cut and do the same with this anchor point. Then switch to the direct selection tool, select the remaining part and press the delete key on your keyboard a few times. Finally, select everything and, if you wish, round all the corners. Change the cap to round cap and set the corners to round join. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.